FightCamp Elite Boxing Home Gym Pricing. Explain what you get for your money. If you've ever dreamed of training like a boxer without leaving your home, FightCamp might be the ultimate setup. But with the Elite kit priced at nearly $349 plus a membership fee, what exactly do you get for your money? Most people get this wrong. They assume FightCamp is just a punching bag with an app. But it's actually a full smart boxing ecosystem that turns your living room into a personal fight studio. The Elite kit includes a freestanding punching bag, premium quick wraps, a workout mat, and a pair of gloves equipped with punch tracking sensors. These sensors connect to the FightCamp app and measure every jab, hook, and cross, tracking your speed, power, and punch count in real time. The membership, £1 per month, gives you access to hundreds of on-demand classes taught by professional trainers, including real fighters. Workouts range from beginner fundamentals to advanced combinations, and you can compete on the global leaderboard for extra motivation. What sets FightCamp apart is its data-driven feedback. You can see how your punch volume improves week by week, turning every session into a measurable challenge. So, what do you really get for your money? A compact, high-energy boxing studio that builds strength, stamina, and confidence without the commuter crowds. If you're looking for a workout that's fast-paced, motivating, and stress-relieving, FightCamp gives you all the thrill of the ring right at home.